Hey there, my name is Joy. Do you know there are a lot of opportunities in this digital age for those who have digital skills? Are you ready to make 2024 your year of digital success? Now is the perfect time to learn digital skills with the hottest digital trends. I mean digital skills that will help you make money. And guess what? We've got something special for you. We're offering you an exclusive opportunity for you to learn high-demand digital skills. Act now and you can enjoy up to a fantastic 20% discount when you register with us today. I know you might be wondering why you should care about digital skills. Well, the world has gone digital, and having a digital skill set is like having keys to doors that leads to various opportunities. Here are digital skills in high demand you can learn today. Digital marketing, data analysis, data science, website design and development, UI/UX design, motion graphics and graphics design, 2D, 3D animation, cybersecurity, and so much more. And that's just the tip of the digital iceberg. Imagine the doors you could open with these skills. And remember, 20% discounts awaits you when you register for any of the above mentioned courses. Ready to take the plunge? Getting started is a breeze. Visit our website to learn more about all our digital skills. You can also call the numbers displayed on your screen or drop by any of our physical offices in Abuja for more enquiries. The digital world is waiting for you, and we're here to guide you on this exciting journey. Seize this opportunity, invest in yourself, and let's make 2024 your year of digital success. Remember, don't miss out on this opportunity. Register now and I'll see you in class. Bye.